Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 9 captive screws from the bottom cover. Flip the device back over and open it up. And gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Once the palmrest is free from its clips, lift it partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove the following screws from the touchpad and touchpad bracket. Remove the bracket. Peel back the tape. Lift the palmrest partway up and slide the touchpad free to remove. Replace the touchpad into the new palmrest. Replace the bracket. And replace the following screws into the touchpad and touchpad bracket. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Plug the palmrest cable back into the motherboard. And plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Lay the palmrest down and push down to snap it back into place. Fold the device and flip it back over. And tighten the 9 captive screws in the bottom cover.